Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Carroll County in east central Ohio, southwestern Columbiana County in east central Ohio, northwestern Jefferson County in east central Ohio, northeastern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, until 8 p.m. At 7:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near Mineral City and was moving east at 45 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Mineral City, Delroy, Malvern, Carrollton, Augusta, East Rochester, Mechanicstown. This is a dangerous storm. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook